In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can farm Photon points on Solana, and that's because Photon's doing an airdrop soon, so we want to accumulate as many points as we can so that we can get the biggest airdrop possible. Now, if you've never actually used Photon, I'll include a link in the video description down below, and you can click on that link to get taken to Photon, which will allow you to create an account. Now, once you've actually signed up for a Photon account, you do actually have to opt in for the airdrop. So if you come to Photon's Twitter page, you can scroll down and look for this tweet down here. And they say here that we can opt in by clicking this link. Now, once you click on that link, you'll get taken to this page and you can opt in for the airdrops by clicking I'm in down here. It will actually open up Twitter in a new tab and it will have this message already pre-typed out. And you just simply have to post this in order to opt in for the airdrop. So from there, in order to find out how many points we have, we can go to the top left corner and click on leaderboard. And we will then get taken to this page where we can see our ranking, total points, 7-day points, and other important information. Now, in order to farm the most Photon points possible, you will have to have a ton of trading volume. And if you're unsure what that actually means, it means that you're going to have to trade a lot with a lot of Solana. So if you're trading with $1 or $2 at a time, then it is going to take a long time to get points. However, if you're putting thousands or tens of thousands into trades, eventually you will get a lot of points. And if you make it into the top 100, you'll also be eligible for this weekly jackpot. As you can see here, this gets distributed to the top 100 traders. So if you can get in this top 100 ranking, that means that you'll get a cut of this 4.6 million point jackpot. Now, as well as volume, there are two more ways of earning Photon points. And the second way is actually through trader referrals. You see, if you invite your friend to Photon using your referral link, if they sign up using your link, that will get you points, and you will also earn points based off their volume. So if you invited someone who had a ton of Solana, if they were trading with a lot of volume, that would earn you tons of points. And the final way to farm Photon points is via this Photon shares section. Now, what that means is that you can go to your holdings and you can actually go to the right hand side and click share. And this will allow you to get a photo which you can download or share via Twitter or Telegram. And if you share it via Twitter or Telegram, it will actually include a link for people to join. And as you can see here, it says that they are tracking anyone who signs up through your unique handle when you share token pages. Now, this actually says that it will be used to distribute future rewards and benefits. So this might not be included in the first airdrop. However, you will get rewarded at some point for doing this. So in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. But the two things that you definitely want to do to farm points is trade with a lot of volume and also refer as many people as you can. From there, if you can make your way into the top 100, you'll get a cut of the weekly jackpot. And that's a really efficient way of earning points because they give away so many. So this has been my video showing you how to farm Photon points on Solana. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.